In this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over this 6-pack of lights here. These are an outdoor spotlight and they're all solar powered. So let's go ahead and open them up. Oh, by the way, they're by the company VIVOHOME, maybe is what that is. You know what? Enjoy life at home. How about that? Well, they told us to enjoy life, so we must do it now. Just open it up here. Nicely packaged, everybody. Check that out. Little user manual on the top. And if you've I've done several of these lights, so I kind of know what to expect with these things. Basically, you've got 3 different types of spot on it. You have a small, medium, and large. And what they're meaning by small, medium, large is the actual width of the light. You can see the size of the panel there and the 2 bulbs there. And then here's the actual adjustment, small, medium, and large. And let's see if it turns on. Maybe I have to hold that down. Yeah, you see how I have to hold that down? By the way, these are colored lights. So these have color to them. You can see how they rotate in and out of colors there. It's not blinking like that, but it is got a light on it, just so you know, because these are LEDs. And LEDs, because of the shutter and the camera, does that. Pretty simple to set up. You got 2 pieces. Stick those in and you are good to go, everybody. There are some poles right here. So there's 2 ways of doing it. This is like that kind of pole where you can kind of go in like that, and it gives you a little more reflection inside the pole action. I like that. You know what? I think I'll do that. Now that makes them really high out of the ground, by the way. And you want to face these towards the sun. And there's actually, I don't think there's any hardware to these things, but if you look at the bottom of them, you see there's screw holes right there. So you got 3 screw holes. I don't think there's any covers on these. You got to watch. Sometimes there's little plastic covers on top of our solar panels there. Yeah, there we go. I don't know how well you guys can see that on the ground. Look at that. So see how I can change the colors. Ain't that cool? Blue. I guess that's that fluctuating light. And look, even Millie, she wants to come over here and check it out. You want to see a light? Here, look at the light. We've got a little bit of daylight left. Let's go ahead, plug them in the ground real quick, let them get a little bit of charge throughout the rest of the day. Then we'll come back at night and see what these things look like. So let's go do that now. So I went ahead and put them in a line going down my sidewalk. So I've got a driveway going up right through here. And I might adjust them a little more when it turns dark. But you can see, since it's a 6-pack, I put 3 on one side and then 3 on the other and just ran them down like this. So yeah, let's click over to nighttime now. So this is on the pulsating right here. Check out how it's going from red to green, and then it'll start back over at blue. That looks awesome. These look really good. You can see how the patterns go out and see how I have them lined up right there. Now watch, I can change this light pattern. Let's just work on this one right here. Let's move. You guys see how I can restrict it down? Let's say you just want a spot. There's a spotlight, and then I can go medium and then full. So the full looks just like that. So check out walking up like this. That looks so cool. And it just lights up my walkway right here. And then turning around right here, you can see going down through there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 6-pack solar lights. Colored solar lights. See you all in the next video.